122 million views, 45 million views, 32 million views, and another video casually pulling in over 1 million views. These videos come from a YouTube channel called Nat Geo Animals, and based on estimated analytics, the channel is earning somewhere between $69,000 and $227,000. Yeah, from animal videos. But here's where things get even more interesting. Another channel called Copied Geo is basically copying the same type of content, and they're also getting massive views, millions and millions. And the craziest part, one of these videos was just created and it's already blowing up. So you might be thinking, okay, they must have expensive cameras, wildlife crews, and a huge production team. Nope. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the exact same style of videos using free AI tools. Watch this video I just created.
In the heart of the enclosure, a shadow moves with purpose. This male Bengal tiger is a masterpiece of evolution, every muscle tuned for the singular moment of the strike. For the axis deer, the morning is a time of quiet replenishment. In this simulated forest, the abundance of green provides a deceptive sense of security. But survival is a full-time job. Even while feeding, the herd's lead stag remains a sentinel, his senses tuned to the subtle snap of a twig that shouldn't be there. As the sun dips below the horizon, in the cycle of the wild, the hunter has played his part, and for tonight, the forest is still.
Crazy, right? Let's get started. Step 1, setting up your channel. And the first step is super simple. Open ChatGPT and paste a prompt asking it to generate YouTube channel name ideas inspired by the style of National Geographic. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you several professional-sounding wildlife and documentary-style channel names. Take a moment, read through them, and choose the one you like the most. Once you pick your name, the next step is creating your channel logo. Go to Google and download the logo of National Geographic. You're not copying it exactly, you're just using it as a style reference. Now open Gemini, upload that logo, and ask Gemini to generate a new logo with a similar structure and style, but using your own channel name. In a few seconds, Gemini will create a logo that looks like its original logo. Just like that, your channel branding is ready. Step 2, generating prompts. Stay inside Gemini and type a simple prompt asking it to generate a realistic animal documentary, including both scene prompts and narration scripts. When you hit enter, Gemini will instantly create a sequence of scenes. Each scene includes a detailed description for the video and a narration script. This means you now have a complete documentary structure, scene by scene, ready to turn into video. Step 3, generating the video. Copy the prompt for scene 1 from Gemini. Open Grok and click on the Imagine feature and paste the prompt into Grok. Then select video, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click Generate. In a moment, Grok will produce your cinematic animal clip. Again, copy the prompt for scene 2 from Gemini. Open Grok and paste the prompt into Grok and click Generate. In a moment, Grok will produce your second cinematic animal clip. Now repeat the exact same process for scene 3 and the rest of the scenes. Within a few minutes, you'll have multiple AI-generated wildlife scenes ready for your documentary. Step 4, creating the narration. Open ElevenLabs and choose a documentary-style voice. Then copy the narration script for scene 1 from Gemini, paste it into ElevenLabs, and click Generate. The tool will instantly create a realistic narration audio file. Download it, then repeat the same process for the narration of each remaining scene until all your clips have matching voiceovers. Step 5, combining clips. Open any video editor and import all the video clips and narration voice. Place the clips on the timeline, then drag the narration underneath each matching scene so the visuals sync with the storytelling. Adjust the timing so everything flows naturally. Add a few smooth transitions if needed, and once everything looks good, export the video. That's it. You've just created a complete AI-generated animal documentary video. If you want more tutorials on creating viral YouTube videos using AI, make sure you subscribe.